All right, boys and girls, this time we're going to write robot words. So these are kind of fun, these little robot guys. We're going to write a word in their box, and then you can color it when you're done. So our first spelling word is bin, B-I-N. Our next spelling word is it, I-T. Our next spelling word is if, I-F. And the last one on this row is in, I-N. On the next row, our first word is going to be pit, P-I-T. Our next word is Kim, and it's the name of a person. So it's a capital K and then I-M. Our next word is him, H-I-M. And our last word is hit, H-I-T. And go ahead and color the robots any kind of colors that you want. And when you're finished, raise your hand for me to come check it. Good job.